Hi, I'm Matt Tinney, founder of Windows Management Experts. Let's talk about Microsoft Sentinel. Sentinel isn't just another SIEM. When configured and managed right, it becomes your security command center, central to how your organization detects, responds to, and defends against threats. But here's the thing, getting the most out of Sentinel takes more than just deploying it. You need strategy, you need expertise, and you need the people who've been there and done that. That's where WME comes in. We specialize in hands-on real-world Microsoft Sentinel consultations led by senior architects and engineers who've built the security operations of Fortune 500 companies, government agencies, and global enterprises. From initial scoping and design to advanced rule tuning, SOAR automation, and log ingestion optimization, we don't just install the tool, we make it work for your business and optimize it. We do it through our unique Managed Project Consultation Model, or MPC. Here's what that means for you and your organization. You get free pre-sale support from a senior Sentinel consultant before you sign anything. We help you scope your project, architect your solution, and define realistic outcomes with the same expert who can stay on through delivery. There's no handoffs, there's no fluff. It's just focused security talent from start to finish. Whether you're building a new SOC, migrating to Sentinel, or integrating with tools like Microsoft Defender or Azure Monitor, we can help. If you're looking for real outcomes, not generic promises with more software bloat, let's connect. We'll match you with a Sentinel expert at no cost during the scoping phase. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping your team unlock the power of Microsoft Sentinel. Hi, I'm Matt Tinney, founder of Windows Management Experts. We make IT simpler, from Microsoft 365 to cloud security and everything in between. Like what you saw today? Hit subscribe on your YouTube channel, Windows Management Experts, and follow us on our Facebook page at Windows Management Experts, Inc. Scan the next slide for all of our socials or visit windowsmanagementexperts.com to learn more. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.